happens when we try to go out and film public singing.
Right.
Naked, almost. Got my wireless mic hooked onto my boxers, and it's going on my back, and I can't get that shit wet. It stopped raining, but we don't know if it's gonna start again, and we don't have any time now because I gotta get home for work. So we're just gonna film some drive-by sex noises after we get out of this situation here.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh fuck, dude, I'm screwed. How do we get over it? Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Ooh. InfraBren! Sex noises! Drive by! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh! Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Almost got hit. I need to
Look
get
at this
over.
guy.
How do I get over, dude?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh! 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 Drink that coffee! Oh!
Singing in color 4.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
Oh yeah!
Do it!
Yeah!
Push that cart! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Push it! Push
Oh
it!
yeah!
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Oh!
Oh
Oh
yeah!
yeah!
Where's she looking?
That's
Oh,
not
what the
good.
hell? Oh, something flew out of somebody's truck. And people hit it. It was like
Oh.
a washer machine.
Fuck.
Yeah. That sucks. Got out of it. We're good. We're good. And then these assholes let
Here
us
in Boston.
Yeah, fucking Boston traffic all the time, dude. It's terrible.